Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20C, and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Somewhere here we should have a Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it is visible right over here. I believe it is added by default, but if you can't find it in the list right here, you could click on these three dots, select Edit Shortcut Switch, and once you see it somewhere below here, press on the green plus button next to it, and it will get added to your list. Once you have it added, you can then hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Now, going over some of the options in here, we have things like people, and in here you can select who can call you or message you. Then we have applications, so choose which application can give you notifications during this mode, alarms and other interruptions. Below that we have schedules, in which you can select a fully automatic schedule that will enable the mode and disable it based on your choice of day of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use a schedule, once you set it up, just toggle it on by clicking right here on this box, and that's all you would need to do. Now going back, we have also duration for quick settings. This one will cater to people that want to enable it manually and on random occasions. You have two options here. We have until turn off, which is the default one, and we have also the timed one, which you can select how many hours you want it to run for. And once confirmed, every time you tap on the toggle manually, it will enable it for the selected amount of hours. I like to select it at like 4 hours just because for me, it will cover whatever I need it for, plus a little bit extra time, giving me the time to turn it off myself if I remember about it, or just keeping me safe from toggling off automatically. For instance, if whatever meeting or whatever I need it is for extends past whatever time I had it selected for. So 4, in my opinion, is the sweet spot. Otherwise, without this option, once you toggle on the mode, it would run indefinitely till you turn it off yourself. Anyway, once everything is set, you don't have to ever come back to these settings again. And to toggle on and off your Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle and this time around tap on it. With the option of the timed option, it will actually give you the time till which it's going to be running till, so you can be aware of it. But obviously, like I said, you can also turn it off before that time. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.